Alright, Megamind. What do you got for us?
Bridge is too exposed. Hill is too steep. We go through town.
Fuck that! It's full of Zeke!
No, he's right. The town has a stone-cutting factory with a lift.
It'll take us right up to the fort. Swarm must be close now. Let's make this fast.
Lock it up. We got targets.
Lurker nearby. Watch the corner.
Get this meat sack off me!
Lurker's dead.
In the right hands.
Lurker in our vicinity. Stay alert.
Do not stop moving forward!
Yeah, okay. Searching.
Intersection. Left or right?
Does it really matter?
I'm still here.
In the right hands. They know we're here. Lurker! Incoming! Thank you.
I've got eyes on the cargo lift.
Reloading!
Lurker sighted! Lurker notified. That was close.
Inspector, over here! My goddamn ears! Hear that thing!
Through this house.
Gas bag approaching! Here's a big boy!
I'm inside the factory.
Now find the lift!
Come on.
This smells so bad!
I see an inspector! There's a fool coming!
Au revoir!
Bastard caught me by surprise! No more inspector!
I've reached the lift. The car is up at the fort.
Cover me! Call it down with the control panel!
defenses! Auto turret activated!
Give me a sec!
I called the lift! It's making too much goddamn noise! Defense kit! Time for a heavy! Machine gun set! Who wants to find out if those saws work? Bomber incoming! Found a defense kit. You can't stop me! I was born for this! Enough games! Swapping out!
Anyone else enjoying this?
Mortar, ready to fire! The lift is climbing!
Find a way to stop it up. Be a control box.
Get off me! Good job. I'm starting the lift. It's coming down. You can't stop me!
Anyone
Reloading.
enjoying this? Focus fire on the move.
The lift is here! Get up!
Nice work, team.
Reloading.
Six on me! Help me! Swapping out! I was born. I need everyone on the lift.
Don't shoot me!
That's all you got?
Shall not fire.
Let's go. Hit the button. Time to move.
Victory log.
Searching. Hell yeah! We get to the fort. Get this over with.
Target the locker!
I'm okay. Need a med kit. Lurker down. Hold your ground. They're trying to get to something in that building. I need help. Kill it.
Hello! Oh my god! We're in here!
Stop me.
Is it safe?
Temporarily.
Oh my god! I want to kiss you!
I understand. Did everybody make it through?
All but one. He didn't make it inside in time.
Auto turrets up.
Shit. That can be more than 2 kilometers away.
It should be. It'll need reloading. I'm coming out.
No offense, you don't look like you'd be much help. Stay here. Tell us what to do.
You need to look at the missiles.
We stole them around the port.
You got a name?
Gaspar.
Gaspard, you're going to be fine. We're going to need missile cover at Marseille. Can you do that?
It would be my honor.
Auto turret activated. Launcher's full. Take the shot.
The radar unit is on gun, but we cobbled together a manual targeting system. Get on the console.
Was a miss. My aim was off. Give me a sec. Somebody find those. Line it up and fire. That was a miss. My aim was off.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
We're empty. Find more missiles. I missed. No time for that. Somebody find those missiles. Get this shit off me! Thank you. Arm those launchers, now! Munitions acquired. Moving to the turret.
Silence that screamer!
Launcher's full. Take the shot. Was a miss. Line it up and fire.
Silence that screamer!
Give me a sec. Clean hit. Collapse the tunnel. We're empty. Find more missiles.
Screamer is calling for backup!
I missed. No time for that. Launcher's full. Take the shot. Heads up. Special. Kill the special. Line it up and fire. On the money. We're on the hill. Hit the cliff.
Cover me. I'm reloading.
On the money. Aim for the bridge.
Trying to get in here! Help!
Find more missiles. Clean hit. Swapping out.
They're almost inside! Please help us!
Going down. I'm on board for this. Game time. Gaspard.
Go. We'll take it from here.
We'll hold them back as long as we can.
I'll wait for your signal, then unleash my little fire demons.
Yeah, that's just weird, man.
I've been up here a long time.